Nandun? Yung nandyan?
At ibang matutulis na bagay at binabantaan ang mga sundalong Pilipino. Git ni General Browner, dapat ibalik ng mga salarin ang ninakaw na mga armas at personal na mga gamit ng mga sundalong Pilipino.
For me, this is piracy already, no? Piracy, because they boarded our boats illegally. They got our equipment, no? Again, parang mga pirata na po sila dun sa mga ginawa nilang actions na yan.
The number of firearms that were looted, they are CAR 15, so long firearms ito. Seven firearms were looted and forcibly taken. Meaning, nandun sa bag kasi yung mga yan, binuhat nila. Initially, they destroyed the communication equipment, the outboard motor, sinira nila yon, then other navigational equipment, and they even took the personal cell phones of our personnel.
We saw in the video how the Chinese even, no, threatened our personnel by pointing their knives at our personnel. Despite this, lumaban po yung ating mga sundalo, no? Lumaban po with their bare hands, no? With their bare hands. Makikita nyo po, tinutulak nila yung rib ng Chinese Coast Guard palabas, no? Palayo. They were preventing the Chinese Coast Guard from hitting them.